Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to clean your ants' outworlds. You need to do this because ants produce a lot of waste, as you can see. Now I have let all this waste accumulate, which isn't the safest, but I did it for the purpose of this video, and I will be showing you what you need to do to clean it. So, we're going to remove the lid, obviously. And I have a damp cotton ball that I will use to pick up the smaller pieces, but first I'm going to be grabbing the biggest pieces and put them in a trash cup. Dang it. Also, if you have tweezers, use those. It will help. But then just take your damp cotton ball or a Q-tip and pick up as much trash and debris as possible to clean your outworld. And once you do that, you are done. Now, feeding them after can help them will help relieve stress that they just went through, because their ants don't like a lot of stress, and as you can see, they're pretty freaked out, which isn't the best. So if you gave them some food, they would feel better. Now, it's important to clean your outworlds because mold can harm the ants. So if mold starts to grow on your cotton, it will hurt the ants. And the mold grows because of all of the humidity and their waste. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you in the next video.